Uh, Bindu, I don't believe in saying all the nice words when the person goes. You've been a wonderful team member, and we are very lucky to have you in our team. Just one thing, I've written it in your card also, that never regret anything which brings a smile to your face, and always keep smiling. All the best.
Hi Bindu, it has been a pleasure working with you. I have known you outside work also, and it has been an amazing feeling to know you, to know a person like you, and we will miss you a lot. We will miss the break time that we spend together, and we miss you.
Bindu, hi. I know, I've known you for about 5 years. I guess now I've seen you learn, grow, and you've come a long way and have a long, long way to go to and take. You've been my first and hence my closest subordinate. Me as a supervisor, have learned so much from you, like an on-the-job training. I am, really, really sorry for anything that I've said that may have, upset you, hurt you, but always and forever, I have had the best of your interests in my heart. No one, I'm glad that, I'm sure you are glad you're going.
Glad you're going,
And
Dekha.
will be very happy for at least one reason, that you will not have yourself reporting to me, or I'm not going to be a supervisor. So finally an end to a lot of phone calls and everything from Dipali. Dipali ne bhi डांट लगा दी. और
Dipali, I think you will have an end from at least from Bindu's end, those calls, late night calls.
Ankita, that will happen when
I
you
will
go here and there, or you get promoted or whatever. Okay, she does not call.
She doesn't
you are the
call.
one who
Okay, I
troubles
was
me.
the one.
Bindu does not trouble me
Oh my gosh.
at all. So I think
So you still can't be at peace because I am still here.
all the best and congratulations, and what else?
I love you.
Yes, we all love you.
ले,
Okay.
I love you बोले तो
And,
पर्सनल है, एकदम पक्का HR है आप. आई को भी बना दिया.
अच्छा, तो तुम भी तो love you है कि नहीं?
We will definitely going to miss her because definitely it's been long and it's a long association with her.
Very long.
Because
And for me, I think
we
she's like
will-
the closest, because she's been my
first team member,
first subordinate, and I remember my first appraisal discussion with her, where I told her that I have no idea what I'm doing as a supervisor, so I will learn with you. She
But I think she's also started learning with you, right? When in AT&T.
हाँ,
End of the day, you stay with the troublemaker.
yes.
When the good person is
Still here to give all the trouble to Dipali, which I have been giving, and the continuous support to in Gurgaon quite often because we are here.
Yes.
yeah. So each time when you come to Delhi, make it a point you visit Gurgaon too, and you better do it.
And let us inform. I mean, she needs to inform us well in advance about this, so that we can all be there and meet her. Yes,
Yes. I'm not going to say it to her. She'll see it.
I know. Otherwise, Vandana will make sure that she gets your stuff packed in interim and relocate you back to Delhi.
Yeah, I have connection back in Bangalore as well in recruitment team.
Yeah. So in any which way, she's going to recruitment. So.
And say hello to Mr. Sonu Kumar.
Yeah. So hire some good people, please, for a change.
Yeah.
Okay? And
Bangalore is full of AT&T.
yeah, and you're going to enjoy Bangalore.
And let us know how the recruitment
Great
works.
weather, great place. Okay, and I hope you have a lot of fun there.
Enjoy your new life.
Bindu, wish you all the best. We'll really miss you. I really liked working with you. You are not only a good friend but a nice person at heart. You are a person who does not touches not only hearts but the soul. We'll really miss you. Please stay in touch forever. You are the person with whom I would like to stay in touch throughout my life. You will be missed.
Thank
All
you.
the best.
Bindu, We wish you all the best in whatever you do. May you have a great, great, great life ahead, personally and professionally. And God bless you with all that you wish for and much, much, much more. God bless you. Wish you all the best.
Best of luck. Do well in life. I'm very happy for you that you're going to a good place. Well, whatever you can say, Mandy, but then I'm very happy for you. You're one of those people who are always charming and you're always smiling. Keep the chin up and always go ahead and bug people around you. That's the best part in you. Take care and we all love you.
Thank you.
Okay, hi Bindu, all the best. Take care.
Hello Bindu, I hate you so much because you're going. मैं किसके साथ ब्रेक्स लूँगी? मुझे स्पेशली वंदना को, मनीष को बुलाना पड़ेगा ये जगह. Which we have. You should not miss these boxes which are lying here in West Egg.
Interim.
For next 2 to 3 months. I think, Vandana, I think this is the
Your best solution. Your best solution for moving offices. Please take interim boxes along with you.
interim boxes, right? No, I have some Dell boxes as well.
Oh.
So you can pack your stuff and go to Bangalore. And you should not be going to Bangalore. Rather, you should ask Prashant to come over here. And I've been saying this to you for now. It's been long.
Yes. Trouble that guy, yaar. What will he do there in Bangalore?
Bangalore. I
Bakwas
think he should be coming over here because in any which ways he is a good chef, so he can cook here as well.
And we
For
can.
us, and we can
Yes.
right. You can give us a treat, and then we all can come to your
House.
and
All this while you have never given.
yeah. You should change this. That the girl have to leave everything and then go to a guy's place after getting married. So, but then please make sure that you are in touch with me every day. I will also. Please provide your shift details in a mail, in the email, so that I can call you at those hours.
And we will
share your
utilize.
number.
No. Share the IPLC number.
I will be there on my desk.
So what?
No. And please raise a ticket for Link and get yours. Log in and Link.
That's
Okay. All right then. Bye bye. Take care.
Love you, bolo. Love you.
Love you.
अच्छे से
And I
kiss.
definitely miss you.
Hi, Bindu. Let me guess, somewhere around 2 years, almost 2 years back when we met. I don't know, from the very first day we met, it was an amazing experience. I always saw a very good friend, a very good colleague in you. And I know this is a relationship which I will cherish for a lifetime. I know. Well, each time when I go for a coffee, I won't have you then. Now. But then I'll make it a point each time I plan to have a cup of coffee in Bangalore, I'll surely meet you. I've got few lines to sing for you. Need not laugh, okay? हंसना नहीं है. Mind it. तू मेरे साथ साथ आसमां के आगे चल, तुझे पुकारता है मेरा आने वाला कल. नई है मंजिलें, नई है रास्ते, नया नया सफर है तेरे वास्ते. नई नई है मंजिलें, नए नए है रास्ते. थैंक यू.
आज आपका फेयरवेल है, सो मैंने आपके साथ 2 years काम किया. यू आर सो स्वीट एंड आई थिंक दैट आप जा रहे हो यहाँ से, बट बहुत सारी ऐसी मेमोरीज हैं जो मुझे हमेशा याद रहेंगी आपके साथ. एंड यू आर सो हेल्पफुल ऑल्सो दैट मैंने जब फर्स्ट टाइम मैं HR में आई थी तो मीनाक्षी एंड यू बोथ आर सो हेल्पफुल. बस मैं यही आपको कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप अपने फ्यूचर में जैसे आप लाइक आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ में एंड योर प्रोफेशनल बोथ आप बहुत आगे जाएं. सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर फ्यूचर, both personal and professional life. So
It has been a pleasure working with you, and with whatever little we have interacted so far, I conclude you as a good human being. All the very best and keep in touch. Bye. हाँ वंदना ने बोला चाय
ये लो, बहुत ज्यादा बड़े बड़े लग रहे हो तुम दोनों।
नीरू एकदम शांत शांत क्यों बैठे हो आप इतना? आई कैन सी दैट। बिंदु ले नहीं रही दीपा। प्लीज डोंट ब्लॉक इट, ओके? सॉरी बिंदु, प्लीज टेक इट। वी लव यू बिंदु।
I love you all, like everything.
And a few words from Bindu.
Few words from Bindu. I want to thank all of you, everybody in this team. It's been a great journey. I've learned a lot as a person, as an HR professional. Awesome experience. I'll miss you, Ankita. Same here. I love you, and I can't express how I feel. How I feel. थोड़ा enlarge कर दो. Nepali link. Download link. And I miss my team and miss everybody. Geeta was my first supervisor in HR, and in a sense, I supported her for Comcast. I learned a lot from her. It was a great experience. If only Geeta can stop eating samosa. Geeta's got on the camera.
नहीं
पहले ये नहीं आना चाहिए please. Awesome. And you have to thank payroll. I will thank them. Great experience. Thank you for this wonderful farewell. Actually, I enjoyed my farewell so much. Thank you for everything. I don't know.
Now let's talk about your wedding.
Wedding. I have just one thing to say, that all of you have to come. It's not fair.
This is your time to ask Deepa ma'am.
Oh, but proof for Neeru if she travels.
Only a problem. I want this.
Capture the body. Capture the body, please. What is it? I want to take it with you.
You can
Anki.
I will go by train. तुम लोग बोल क्या रहे हो? वो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा। ये लो, वो भी अलग अलग ही हो गए हो तुम लोग।
All have a lot of fun. We are going to miss you here. I'll miss you all the more. It's been 5 years. I don't know. Still, how did I pass my 5 years over here? Yeah, that's a very true statement. Thank you so much. I will say the same when I pass how many years I have.
Action.
एक्शन जो थ्रिलर मूवी है,
बताना उसी के हिसाब से पेट अंदर करूँगा।
फोटो में आ जाएगा।
अरे फोटो भी
जोएब आप दिख ही नहीं रहे।
जो भाई सेंटर में आ जाए।
जोएब तो पीछे कहीं भी खड़ा।
Bindu, you have done awesome job and we will miss you lot. You rock.
You rock. You rock. You stand out rock.
All the best, Bindu.
All the best, right?
Best of luck.
Best of luck.
Good luck, Bindu.
Miss you lot.
But बिंदु अगर ब्लड की जरूरत पड़े ना कभी फ्यूचर में
तो इनका पॉल्यूटेड ब्लड ले मत लेना। चल
ओके ऑल द बेस्ट।
थैंक यू।